Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. In this video, we are going to discuss about frequency divided circuits. So we are going to specifically discuss about frequency divided by 3 circuit, that is F by 3 circuit. Now, basically this frequency divided by 3 circuit, we are going to divide the clock frequency by 3 times. Now let us try to understand this with the help of waveforms. So let's say this is your clock signal. So let's say this is our clock pulse. Let me draw this. Now, so this is our clock pulse with your positive edges. Now, so we need to divide this particular clock signal by 3. We need to divide the frequency by 3. So let's say this is our time period T. So this is first clock pulse, this is second clock pulse, and this is third one. Okay. Now, so these are three clock pulses, 1, 2, and 3. Now, so this is your clock, and your output is nothing but, so it can be 0, 0, and 1, and again it is 0, 0, and in the next passage it will become 1, and in the next passage it will become 1. So basically, if the clock completes 3 clock cycles, if the clock completes 3 cycles, then your output will complete only 1 cycle. So if your clock completes 3 cycles, then your output will complete only 1 cycle. Okay, so this is your frequency divided by 3 circuit. Let's say your time period of your the relationship between the clock and output, if we try to understand, that is T out is equal to 3 times the T clock. T out output time period of your output is nothing but 3 times the clock frequency. Okay, that is nothing but frequency of output is nothing but 1 by 3 times of frequency of clock. That is, we are dividing our clock frequency by 3. Then we will get your output frequency. Output frequency is nothing but 1 by 3 times of clock frequency. So this is your frequency divided by 3 circuit. Now, so coming to the duty cycle of this particular circuit, duty cycle is nothing but time period on by time period on plus time period the signal is off. That is nothing but it is only on for only one cycle divided by 1 plus 2. That is 1 by 3, which is nothing but 33.33 percentage. So this is your clock frequency. This is your frequency divided by 3 circuit with 33.33 percentage duty cycle. Now, how we can design this particular circuit? How we can design this particular circuit? Now, we can design this particular circuit using a mod 3 counter. So for a mod 3 counter, the number of states will be equal to 3. Okay, so that is the first state will be equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is your mod 3 counter output. Let's say this is Q1 and this is Q0. We are going to only consider your Q1 output. Then we will get frequency divided by 3 circuit with 33.33 percentage duty cycle. 33.33 percentage duty cycle. Now, so we are going to simply consider your mod 3 counter. We are going to simply consider your mod 3 counter, and from this mod 3 counter we are going to give your input as clock, and we are going to take your output from Q1, which is nothing but F by frequency divided by 3 with 33.33 percentage duty cycle. Yes, so that's all about this particular video. So if you like this particular video, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. Thank you.